This video, we're coming to the last bit of your course now. So we previously learned how do you do 20 take away 19, for example. What I've recommended is partition the number, do the tens take away tens, units take away units. So what we do, when there are double digit on this side, double digit on this side, it will be best to do tens take away tens first. What we're trying to do, we're trying to make the number whole thing smaller. So 20 take away 10 is 10 left, and that's 0. So now we are left with 10 take away 9. So the answer is 1. Okay. Now then, what if the question becomes, instead of 20 take away 19, it becomes 25 take away 19. Again, we partition. Yes. So what we do 20 take away 10. Again, the same thing. Is 10 left. So now you actually left with 15 take away 9. So hopefully by this stage they have remembered previously what they've learned is to do 15 take away 9. Units take away units. 5 is not enough to take away 9. So leave the 5, save them in your pocket. Okay. And then what happened? You go next door and borrow a 10. So what is 10 take away 9 is 1. Okay. So you use the 10 to pay for the 9, and then you got £1 change left. So you got 5, add 1 more, you got £6 left. Okay, so what if you got things like 100 take away 10? Now we have done quite a bit of revision about number bond to 100 when there are two tens involved. So remember that 10 at 90, hopefully by now they remember 10 at 90 is 100, and therefore 100 take away 10 is 90, is always the other number, or 100 take away 90 is 10. Okay, 100 take away the 90 is 10, 100 take away 10 is 9 left. Now, what if you got question like 120 take away 80? Again, we try to partition them, okay? Look at the double digit, take away double digit. So 20 take away 80 is not possible. So this is made of 100 and 20. So 20 cannot take 80. So save 20 in your pocket. Okay, I'll write it here to make note that you got £20. You need to add on. And use 100 to take away 80. So 100 take away 80 is 20. So add 20. So the answer is 40. Oops, sorry, 40. Okay. And then other question, for example, what if you got 124 take away 80? Again, it's the same thing. If we're taking double digit, just compare double digit, okay? Split that. So 24 is not enough to take away 80. So leave 24 alone. Write it there. If that is going to help, add. Remember that on this side means the answer. So what you do, you go next door and borrow 100, yes? So what is 100 take away 80? You should have known by now is 20. So 20 at 20, 40 at 4, 44. Do one more, 360, take away 170. Go from left, take away first. 300 take away 100 is 200. So now what you left is 260 take away 70. 60 is not enough to take away 70. So borrow 100 from here, okay? So you got 60 left that you haven't used. So now use the 100, take away 70 is 30. And then you got 100 there left at 100. So all together is 190.